Hi students, great job on completing your question from last week. Just as a recap, I'm going to go ahead and go over just in case. The question asked you guys to please give me the slope and the equation of the line. For slope, some of you guys said zero slope, but if we had zero slope, that would mean that there's no slope and it's flat like the ground. That's a line that has zero slope. So a line that is vertical, which is up and down, is considered undefined. The equation for an undefined line cannot start with y equals because y equals mx plus b line has a slope indicated by the m. So in this situation, I asked you guys to try and make a table if you were stuck. Okay? So if we look at the graph, and I'm just going to pick a few points, we'll try that point, and that point. Those 3 points, we're going to write them over here on our table. The first one right here is x is 6, y is -4. So 6, -4. The next point right there, x is 6, y is 0. Next point right there, x is 6, y is 4. Are you guys starting to notice a pattern? X is always 6. The line is a vertical line that's always going to cross through that 6. So that's my equation. My equation is x equals 6. Remember, when in doubt, just build a table. It'll help you see what your equation should be.